Now, Maryam is going to introduce us to all the cool research happening at Mines. Maryam's pursuing a PhD in civil engineering and is focused on solving the world's most pressing challenges. Take it away, Maryam.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. Since I was a little girl, I have been fascinated by the idea of helping people in need. When I realized that improving infrastructure, water treatment plants, dams, and transportation system help to improve everyday lives, I decided to become a civil engineer to make this vision a reality. I wanted to come to Mines because it's the home of the only underground construction and tunnel engineering graduate program in North America. The program develops new ideas and technologies for advancing civil infrastructure, including space and structures for working, living, and playing, and tunnels for transit, roads, hyperloops, water utilities, and energy. Plus, Mines is one of few universities in the US to offer approved grant challenges in engineering program, which prepares the student to become a global problem solvers and tackles the problems faces in society now. Mines connects all the dots to achieve my dreams to become a successful civil engineer involved in solving global problems. I get to work on a cutting-edge research focused on sustainability and energy conservation. My research aims to employ a novel biogrout for tunneling support as alternative to the ordinary cement, which is the second largest industry that leads to CO2 emission, a major contributor to climate change. With many world-class research centers and close industrial partnerships with companies like Lockheed Martin and the US Geological Survey, not to mention some of the top certificates, master's, and PhD programs in the world, there is always interesting and innovative research happening at Mines, focused on finding solutions in energy, environment, manufacturing, robotics, even space resources. Mines is a place with world-changing ideas where I can prove women can be part of finding solutions for grand challenges. And from what I have learned here, I can improve everyday lives and break stereotypes. This is my story, and now back to you, Alex.
Maryam, that was so inspiring. It sounds like there's no shortage of ways Mines students can help make a difference and work on some cool projects. Thanks for sharing, Maryam. That was fantastic.